Welcome to the Digital Marketplace Project. And this one, we're going to teach you step by step how to build a Django project so you can actually launch your very own digital marketplace. Now, of course, Django is the popular web framework written in Python, the Python programming language. And what we want to do is show you all the little things, the basic stuff about Django, as well as the advanced things about Django, so you can build your own digital marketplace and bring buyers and sellers together to sell high resolution photos, in our case, of course. Now, what you're gonna learn is gonna allow you to sell all sorts of products using buyers and sellers and all the concepts that we go through. See, we're gonna show you how to upload high resolution images and turn those into thumbnails, so that can be used in a variety of projects, if not all of your projects. And then we're also going to show you how to use basic analytics to provide suggestions, and we're going to show you how to purchase things like one-click purchase like you've seen on many sites before. We're going to show you how to do ratings and all sorts of things. Now, of course, watch the next video to see the walkthrough of what we actually are going to be doing so you can see what the project looks like. But the point here is we want to show you the basics of Django so you can build your own web application, and then we're going to move towards more advanced topics so then you can really add on to that application yourself. And of course, it doesn't have to be just a marketplace, but the point here is to build something real so you can get out there and get things done. That's the goal here. Now, of course, if you have any questions or any suggestions, we'd love to hear from you guys. We build these things specifically for you. We would not exist if it weren't for you guys, our students, our community. It's so exciting to be a part of it, and we hope to see you in the digital marketplace. Of course, again, if you have any questions, let us know. But thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you out there.